In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp time tracking, full setup, and team workflow guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add the time tracked column, log hours cleanly, and save settings that keep your team consistent and your reports accurate. Start in a list view where your tasks are visible. On the far right of the column header, click the option to add a new column. This opens the field library for your view. In the search bar, type time tracked, then select it. The new time tracked column will appear in your list. You can drag it to a prominent spot, resize it so details are easy to read, and keep it visible in the views your team uses most. If you don't see the option, check that time tracking is enabled in your workspace settings or that you have permission to modify the view. With the column in place, you're ready to log time. Hover over the cell in the time tracked column for the task you worked on and click Add Time. This opens the time entry modal. Choose the correct date, then either set a start and end time or type a total duration. If your team bills clients, toggle the entry as billable so it shows up correctly in invoices and reports. Use the description or notes field to capture what was done, like drafted outline or code review, so anyone reviewing the log understands the outcome without asking for details. If your workspace uses tags or labels for cost centers or phases, add them now to keep your data filterable later. Before you save, customize the entry to match your team's standards. Double check the task is correct, the duration is realistic, and the billable toggle matches your policy. If you split your day across multiple tasks,